little scared.
Why are you scared?
Because I'm scared this way. Big old spiders. Oh, Hulk Thor's hammer. What? Mom,
Thor's hammer.
Look, Thor's hammer. I pulled it out. We finally found Thor's hammer. Let's put Thor in the water so Thor can.
You don't want Thor to find his hammer? Why would you do that, Jalen?
That was mean to Thor. Let's put it right here so Thor.
Can you move it? Because if you can move it, that means you got special powers.
Woo!
Oh my goodness, Jalen is strong.
I can move it.
Y'all be careful with them sticks.
Move.
But just leave it alone.
Thor's hammer.
I guess Joslyn don't have no...
Thor's hammer. Let's go hide it. Thor's hammer. I'm going to hit Thor's hammer. Don't be back over here. It's gross over there. I wish somebody would. All these dirty bugs. Yeah. Like floats! Mommy, float!